Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's May 4th, 2023. We're going to talk about plug power real quick. What's all the buzz about? Well, I'm going to show it to you on the price chart because since I did my last price prediction in plug, which was on the 10th of April, we've been looking for price to go lower, right? You guys can see it. I'm telling you right now that this has been the idea for plug power for us to see price dip and go lower. I get it, but as time goes on, you begin to get more information that we didn't have before. And what I'm seeing into the market in plug power is actually how the buyers are currently trying to hold this price. They're not trying to let the market fall in plug power. We could possibly see this stock begin to go higher. Now, you may begin to say, oh, all right, cool. Let me come out and start buying the stock. Pump the brakes. Because this market is still trending down in plug power. This market will still have to see price break at least $11.35 to the upside in order to become massively bullish in this particular market. So yeah, just pump the brakes. We could possibly see stock plug power go higher. Okay. So what I wanted to do, I really wanted to see this on a longer term basis to see if we need to cut this price prediction out the way and begin to look for the market to lift higher. Because if that's the case, then we definitely need to leave the market here with the presumption that price is going to continue to go lower and then switch sides and look for it to begin to go higher. So here it is on the weekly chart into the market in plug power. And like I said, it looks as if the buyers are really trying to come in and hold this stock's price. They're not trying to let the market fall. You guys can see we got this push go down bar right here on the week of April the 3rd. We saw more selling with its up fake bar right there on the second week, April the 10th. But then, yes, we're still here seeing selling, but the spread of the price bars in plug power is getting smaller. And we're seeing the price actually begin to close higher than the previous weekly close. This is how you can tell that buyers are entering the market. Look at the week of April 24th. Yes, like I said, we're still seeing sellers. Like the market is still being sold off, but we're actually beginning to see interest of the market participants beginning to come in and start buying. This is what we're seeing right now in the market of plug power. You guys can even see on this current weekly price bar that that's the current idea. Now, I'm not saying that the sellers are finished or that they left. Like they're still here because look at the current weekly price bar. The market did go back down to $8.50. Take a look on the 2 weeks. Okay, we're definitely seeing some weakness into the market on the 2 weeks. Here it is on the 3 weeks. Okay, and then also on the 5 weeks. Like I'm still seeing weakness on the 5 weekly time frame, no doubt. I see it on the 3 weeks. I see it on the 5 weeks. You can even see it on the monthly chart. So in no way am I saying that right now this particular market has hit rock bottom. This doesn't look like it's the bottom into the market in plug power. Not yet. But if you understand timing and knowing when to enter and exit, you could possibly play this move to the upside on a daily basis. Okay. Take a look on the 3-day chart. Okay, see that? This last completed 3-day price bar. This is what we term a probable precursor of strength. This one is the same thing. We're getting a probable precursor of strength, 2 consecutive ones. Now on this upcoming 3-day price bar, we want to see the market close higher than the previous 3 days because it tells us that yes, that buyers did in fact come in and buy on those 2 3-day price bars. Take a look on the 2-day. Here it is on the 7-hour chart. Okay. Let's look at this on 11-hour. And 13. Look at this on the 15-hour. So again, I'm going to continue to go forward with my price prediction for plug power to go lower because this is more or less for the long term, right? We're looking for a longer term perspective as to looking at plug power going lower, but I can see some light on the daily time frame that price could begin to go higher. Those 2 areas though, as terms of how high price can go, would be here around $9.63, and then that second area would be up here. These would be the 2 areas that I would be looking for market and Plug Power to run up. Just saying. So I'm not going to change my price prediction just yet in Plug Power. I just wanted to tell you that, yeah, I can see the market beginning to try to go higher. Give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.